So over here you can see that I got this VLC Media Player, and let me just go ahead and bring in these two videos right here just like this. And what happens now is if I were to go ahead onto the end of the playlist, another video plays of course, and once that ends as well, you simply get back onto this video. But let's say as the playlist ends, I just want VLC Media Player to quit. In that case, you can go around over here onto media and choose quit at end of the playlist. And now once you do that, you go ahead and play the video. After one video, of course, the next video plays, but after this video ends, you can see that VLC Media Player just quits. So now, if I were to go ahead and open up VLC Media Player again right here, you can see that quit at the end of the playlist is still checked on. So if you want to make sure that it does not quit, you should simply go ahead and uncheck it out right here. And now, if I were to go ahead onto the video again right here, just like this, at the end of the playlist right here, it simply goes ahead and stops and you see the playlist once more. And that is how you can go ahead and use the quit at the end of playlist option inside of VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.